I'm Dan Stockdale. I'm a financial modeler and I create online video courses in Excel and Power BI for accounting and finance professionals, and I sell them through my website claritix.co.uk. So I use video to educate and promote. So firstly, there's the courses that I create, which can be between like 90 minutes to up to 10 hours for the longest. I'll create social content for something like LinkedIn, so short clips. And then some training providers that I sell the courses through, I'll create promotional videos of the courses for them to sell through their websites. Elevate has really made things quicker and easier, and I think it's really boosted my creativity. So in the past, if I've used traditional editing software, I've found I've had to kind of learn it, which takes a long time, so it can be really complex. A lot of my edits are quite simple. I'm kind of clipping, adding some transitions, adjusting volume, adding subtitles, then exporting. And what I found with Elevate is it's just much more easy and user-friendly. So the feature that I'm really using at the moment is subtitling. So I'm taking all the content from my website, uploading it into Elevate, and then subtitling it to make it kind of more engaging and easier for people scrolling through the website to actually view and understand. Just the level of customization is way beyond my expectations. I can get the subtitles looking exactly as I want. Compared to other video editors where the subtitling can be quite clunky and complex, I found it's really simple in Elevate, and I can just do it in a couple of clicks, and then the subtitles are there. They're very accurate, even with the technical language that I'm using in my courses, and they're always in sync with the video. So even if I'm editing it or moving it around, it always sticks with it. And I haven't actually seen that anywhere else. So that's actually really cool. There's two instances where I use collaboration. So firstly, there's the review mode. So sometimes I create promo videos for third parties, and I want to edit some of my course material and give them the chance to actually review it, because it's going to end up on their website, but I don't want them to actually kind of affect my edit or be able to change anything. So I can put it into review mode, get their comments, and then work from there. Then also the actual multiplayer editing I absolutely love, and that's given me the opportunity to actually outsource some of my edits to freelancers, particularly for things like promo videos, where I'm perhaps not the best editor in the world, and so I can give that edit to someone else or offload it to someone else. They can come into the project, actually do it. I retain control of the content, which is really important to me. I'm not kind of beholden to that freelancer. If they've made an edit and I want to change something later, maybe add a tweak, then I don't have to kind of call them up, pay them more, or wait a week for them to do it. I can actually just do it myself. I found that Elevate has just made it much easier to edit. So I've been able to jump into my browser, quickly clip something and get it out to social. I've been able to add subtitles, which has just raised the quality and made my content actually more engaging for people. And on a monthly basis, it's saving me a lot of money because it's a lot more affordable than the other videos that's out there.